It is 28th of March on a Monday, time at 6:44 p.m. in Singapore itself. And my name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Alright, so today we're going to touch on a few currency pairs, starting from the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Alright, so this is not a week that the Reserve Bank of Australia will decide on the cash rate. But however, let's go to the technical chart itself. On the day one charts right here, we've seen that the price has already begun to fall, and right now we are seeing that it's beginning to retrace since it fell from the key resistance level, the price of 0.7651 at the retracement level of 61.8%. Alright, so let's zoom in into the 1 hourly chart. What I want to show you right here is that in the 1 hourly chart, the current structure that we are looking at right now is suggesting the price may appreciate a little bit further, and we have identified that there is also a probable falling trend channel, and the top of the channel itself, it coincides together with the retracement level of 30.2% at the price of 0.7553. So this level itself could be a key level for us to go for the sell, and of course based on the amount of appreciation that it may continues to appreciate towards to. So we will be looking for the sell opportunity as soon as price touches the top of the probable falling trend channel. It may be just right before it touches the retracement level of 30.2%. Alright, so that's pretty much for the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Next, let's take a look at the Aussie against the Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the week 1 chart. Alright, so we've seen that the price has been falling within a falling trend channel in the week 1 chart, and expect the price to fall further. Price is still moving in consolidation ever since it got resisted at the key resistance level at 86.34. But let's zoom in the smaller time frame into the 1 hourly chart. Alright, over here what we can see is that the price has been consolidating within a symmetrical triangle. Right now the price is at the top of it, and therefore it suggests the price may fall as a result, since it's at the top of this symmetrical triangle for the intraday sell. But however, just take note that the key resistance level that we are looking here right now is the first level at the price of 85.84, and followed by the key resistance level at the price of 86.34. Right, that will make more sense if I zoom into the 4 hourly chart. Alright, that is the key resistance I'm talking about, and of course in day 1 chart itself. Alright, but however, overall itself, we do expect that the Australian dollar will still continue to depreciate, especially when we get closer to the cash rate by the Reserve Bank of Australia next week. So that is for the Aussie against Japanese yen. And next we have the euro against the euro against the Japanese yen. So let's take a look at the day 1 chart. So what we can see right here is that the price has been steadily depreciating on the downtrend movement, and after every significant retracement. So we can see that it fell, it retraced, fell again, retraced. Alright, this has been happening for a very long time, and right now we have already seen a significant retracement. Therefore, expected the price to depreciate further. However, we have right now seen that the price has appreciated significantly and is about to touch the key resistance level again at the price of 127.14, which is at the retracement level of 50%. So therefore, into the 4 hourly chart, as the price appreciate a little bit further and retest 127.40, we will be looking for the sell opportunity. Alright, so that's for the euro against the Japanese yen. And next we have the euro against the US dollar. So starting from the day 1 chart, we have seen that the price has resisted at the price of 1.1341 and begins to fall as a result. And right now into the smaller time frame for our chart, we have seen that the price has broke below a rising trend channel that signals the price may fall further. But right now we are seeing that the price is moving into a very tight consolidation, and therefore we'll be looking for the sell opportunity only as price retraces back to the retracement level of 30.2% at the price of 1.1218. But if it breaks above that level, the next level will be at the price of 1.1265 at the retracement level of 61.8%, which is the bottom of the previously broken rising trend channel. Alright, so that's for Euro against the US dollar. Last but not least, very quickly, we have the dollar against Japanese yen in the day one chart. I've seen that the dollar yen has resumed appreciation since it forms a triple bottom. Alright, that signals the price will continues its appreciation for quite a period of time. And fundamentally, we do know that the Federal Reserve is still moving towards raising interest rates. And recently, it has also mentioned that an April rate hike is still possible, whereas the Bank of Japan has adopted negative interest rates, and they may ease further. So, as a result, of the fundamental level, we are definitely looking at the upside for the dollar against Japanese yen. And into the 4-hourly chart, we have seen that the price is appreciating and is about to touch the falling trend line. There's been resisting price since mid-February this year. So as the price reaches the trend line itself and it begins to fall, instead of looking for the sell opportunity, we will be looking for a quick retracement to go for the buy instead, as we are expected the price will appreciate a lot further from here based on the structure that we have in the daily charts, a triple bottom. That's what I'm talking about. And that's for the dollar against the Japanese yen. With that, I've come to the end of today's trade analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.